Okay, so we're back dito sa ating desk. So as you can see, nilagyan natin dito ng ano ba yan? Sound recorder waveforms. So habang nagsasalita ako dito sa aking headset, yan, lumalabas naman dyan kung meron talagang naririnig na sound. So kahit sobrang hina na sinasabi ko dito, lalabas dyan na ganyan. Okay. Diba? Kung completely silent, ganito lang itsura niyan. Ayan, 'di ba? Flatline, no? Wala talaga. So kahit may marinig ka ng zzzz, talaga makikita mong may something. So right now, tabi muna natin itong mga batteries natin. So this is the first battery, second battery. Ayan. We will try to check. Itatapat ko yung microphone ng aking headset, this one. Removing the headset now. Ito yung gagamitin pala natin. Yan. This is the headset that I'm using, Corsair HS80. Ayan. So to be fair, malakas talaga ang microphone nito. So ayan, may sound, 'di ba? Pag ginalaw-galaw. So pag nakaganyan lang 'yan, naririnig pa rin niya ako kahit ganito kalapit. Wala sa bibig ko yung microphone. So talagang nakikita nyo meron pa ring waveform, no? Pero pag nilapit natin ganyan, ayan, medyo malakas pa rin. Ayan, so right now, let's test. Lalapit ko dito. Ayan, pero pag nag-tap tayo, syempre meron yan. 1, 2, 3. So wala pa naman battery. So apparently, walang sound talaga yan. So now, we will try to attach one battery. This one. So yan, full charge. 1, 2, 3. Charging. Okay, wala sa taas. How about sa ilalim? Still nothing. Actually, meron ngang ano rito ngayon medyo may slight ambient sound dahil sa tunog ng ating PC. The PC is over there. Diba? Yung air cooling niya. Pero buzzing sound, wala talaga. Kahit ngayon ako, sinusubukan kong pakinggan. It's not there. Wala. Again. And another one sa top. Okay, let's try the other battery. Okay, removing the first one. Now the second one. Full charge din siya. Okay. Initial sound, wala talaga. Tinatapat ko lang yung tenga ko. Pero now, let's try the headset. Okay, silent on top. How about sa bottom part? Nope. So wala pa rin talaga, no? When we watch yung YouTube nung isang reviewer ng Beanbox, pero in fairness, ang gamit niya kasing Beanbox doon, single battery lang, wala yung power station and all. Talagang rinig na rinig mo yung sound 'Di ba? Talagang naririnig ko yung sound nung pinarinig niya. So hindi siya yung parang sobrang sobrang subtle. It's really obvious. So I don't know. For me, my conclusion as always been, wala I'm not experiencing the buzzing sound. Therefore, I can't say na there's a buzzing sound issue when it comes to using the Beanbox T3. I don't know. Kung meron kayong experience, which I read meron talaga iba, please comment below and tell me when do you experience this problem. Tapos kung talaga bang baka may conditions tayong kailangang i-meet bago siya mangyari, and we will try to recreate yung scenario nyo, and hopefully ma-reproduce natin at makarinig talaga tayo ng buzzing sound from the Quest 3. Pero right now, I can truly say without any hesitation or doubt, this unit, this Beanbox battery, silent, no sound whatsoever while being used, regardless of the percentage, 'di ba, nung Quest 3. Okay, so we are now back. Pero dito tayo ngayon sa ating space station. Okay, so we're not charging, hindi pa nakakabit yung Beanbox battery, but we are now 85%. Okay? Alright, so it's 12:13, 85%. So try natin mag-attach ngayon ng isang battery, and I will try to check, no? Kasi sabi nila by 75%, 70% and above, nagaano daw siya nagkakaroon ng buzzing sound. So let's see if that's true. So we will attach now one battery. Ayan. It's attached and it's charging, as you can see. I'm not hearing anything. Wala talagang sound, anything. Kahit sobrang mahinang buzzing sound, wala. Okay, so let's remove that battery. Palitan natin. Now we are attaching the second battery. So let's see kung kung ito mayroong sound. Okay, it's attached. Still the same. No sound whatsoever, guys. Walang buzzing sound. I'm not hearing anything. Nope. Walang sound. Okay, let's try to drain the battery. Siguro mga yan, inalis ko muna uli yung battery. Drain natin siya mga below 70%. Tapos ikabit ulit natin, and let's see kung rinig tayo ng buzzing sound this time. So, okay, I'll be back. So we're back. It's 12:30 and we watched a couple of videos. Tapos ito na agad ang kanyang power, 69%. So I guess this is a perfect percentage para i-test natin ulit yung ating mga Beanbox batteries. Ayan. So we are now attaching the first Beanbox battery. Again, I'm listening closely kung meron bang maingay or buzzing sound. Okay, so here's the first. It's charging. Okay. Aside from the bark ng aso, sa tahol ng aso, wala naman akong iba pang naririnig. So it's still silent, at least for the first battery. Okay, so we are now replacing it with the second battery. Okay, so again, the proper way of attaching the battery, nasa baba dapat yung USB port, no? USB-C port. Nasa taas naman yung light indicators. Attaching now. Second battery is attached. Still nothing. Wala talaga akong marinig, guys, no? Pero trust me when I say na wala talaga ako naririnig, you know? Andito lang naman siya sa likod di ba? Sa likod ng ulo ko. So if there's a buzzing sound, kahit sobrang konti lang yan, dapat naririnig ko. Pero wala. So I don't know. Am I just lucky dito sa aking unit? 'Di ba? Everyone's talking about it. Ang sabi kasi meron daw bad batch ng Beanbox batteries with the strap na na-release. Kaya yun daw yung may mga buzzing sound. Pero ito talaga wala no? So far so good talaga, guys. I've encountered another fellow Beanbox user na wala rin naman siyang naririnig na buzzing sound. Pinoy din siya dun sa isang ano namin, Facebook page, Facebook chat group for Meta Quest 3 users. Okay din naman. Wala rin siya ngayon nag-ano sa akin ito ang magrekomenda. So there you have it. And please subscribe and follow me para naman sa medyo lumago ang ating community, especially to the Pinoys out there. See ya, and this is OneFlix, over and out.